Hello everyone. Today we are starting our new lesson. Can you see the pattern? Through this lesson we will learn about different types of pattern like number pattern, alphabet pattern and different shape patterns also. Here the pattern of skirt is given here and another pattern also here. What is the difference between these two patterns? In first pattern the shape takes half turn. It means the shape turns upside down, but in second pattern the shape takes 1/4 turn only. It means it turns 90-degree angle. It turns to 90-degree angle. What do you mean by 90-degree turn, 1/4 turn and quarter turn? 1/4 turn, 90-degree turn and quarter turn. These three terms are same. If any shape take 90-degree turns, suppose here this arrow turn clockwise in this way, then the angle will be 90-degree. So we can say it quarter turn also, because in clock if the needle move from 12 to 3, it takes also 90-degree turn, and we can say it first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth one. So in fraction we can say it as 1/4. We can say it as 1/4. All these part are equal, so we can say that the any one part is 1/4. So it is also called quarter turn. Now what is half turn? If this arrow again if this arrow totally turns upside down, it means it turns to 180-degree angle. So 180-degree angle turn is also called half turn. In half turn a shape totally turns upside down. There are two basic types of turn. First one is clockwise turn. Second one is anti-clockwise turn or counterclockwise turn. If turn takes place in the opposite direction of clock or needle, it is called anti-clockwise turn or counterclockwise turn. And if takes place in the direction of needle or clockwise, it will be called as clockwise. What is 3/4 turn, or we can say it 3/4 turn also. If this shape turns, if this shape turn to this place, then this angle will be 270 degree, because 90 and here 90 also, and here 90 also, so totally it turns to 90 plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 270 degree turn. Yes, here in example, the flower, the first rule is repeat it with 1/4 turn. The flower take turn 1/4 and it changes its direction. In next turn again it turns to 1/4 turn, and in this way it changes its position. In this series it is taking 1/4 turn one by one. So this flower, after completing a round, it again come to its original position. According to second rule, if a shape changes its position upside down, then it will be called half turn. Here the flower totally turns 180 degree at 180 degree angle, so it in second place the flower totally turns upside down. Again it come to its original position, then again upside down, then again in the initial position. In this way this turn is also called half turn. According to rule third, if a shape takes 1/3 turn, 3/4 turn, then in this way it will changes its position. In 1/3 turn